Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to lock screen while watching YouTube on Android. If you want to lock your screen while watching YouTube on Android, so you just have to follow some steps. First, you have to enable a setting. So go to settings and here go to security. Here's that, tap on it. And here you'll find an option of app pinning or screen pinning. If you won't find it here, so you have to go back, go to search bar, and here just search for screen pinning or app pinning. As you search for it, so you just have to open the settings, and here you have to enable this setting. Just tap on it, and it will be enabled. Now you have to open YouTube app, and here open something you want to watch, and then you have to minimize the screen using this tab. And here you have many options, so just tap on it, and here you will get the option of pin. Just tap on it, and now your screen has been pinned, and now you can't do another work on this. So if you want to off the screen pinning, so you have to hold these two buttons in a time, and then your screen pinning will be unlocked. So that's how you can lock your screen while you're watching YouTube on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.